Hey guys, my name is Darrell Addison. I'm the owner and founder of a growing concept called Torpedopot, where in these planters that you see behind me and around me, we've grown over 15,000 pea pods. Hey, don't worry about it. They've been growing by themselves. They're fully automated. But now for the crop that you see behind me, we're going to grow between we expect to be from 3 to 10,000 tomatoes. Huge range, isn't it? Yes, each one of these planters should be able to generate between 100 to 200 tomatoes. That's our goal. And as you can see, come take a look at it. This is what we're looking at. I want you to see inside first. Let's take a look inside here. You will see what's going on. And let's count the plants that we have that is growing, right? Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have about 11 plants in this planter. Now let's take a look at one of the plants. This is one, okay? Let's take a look at the growth, potential growth on this plant. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this one plant alone. And we have more, 9, 10, 11. But if we're able to do at least 10 off each planter, and we're going to do more than that we believe, then we believe that this planter has the ability to hit over 100 to about 200 tomatoes coming off these planters. Now, all we did was this. These are Torpedopots. Come on, let's take a walk together. And what you'll see, you won't see any defects on these plants. They're all perfect. They look perfect. They're growing perfect. The whole objective is to grow thousands of tomatoes. This is fully automated systems. You never water. You never have to take care of your plants again. And what they do things for you. It's called grow. And they grow your food. Take a look at this. This is just one of the thousands that we're going to get from these planters right here. Now, I love my self-growing planters because you really don't have to do anything. All you're doing is dropping your seeds in the planter. You're putting your plants in the planter. And literally, I want you to understand what's going on here. You walk away. You walk away. The only thing I do is to supplement my planter with organic supplements because of the soil once a week, and that's it. And in return, you're going to spend pennies on your seeds, very little bit for anything else, and you're going to get a huge crop of tomatoes like you've never seen before. And that's what Torpedopot does. Torpedopot is a self-growing planter that you never need to water. It feeds your planters, it takes care of your planters, and does everything for you, and you don't have to do anything at all. But all you do in return is get thousands of pounds of food with no work at all. The average consumer in the United States spends about $24,000 a year on food. $24,000 a year. I want you to let that sink in, because that's the cost of a car. That's a mortgage. Money that I paid for these tomato seeds, less than 0.10 cents, and threw them in the planters. I'm literally growing food free. I don't have to come out and do all the work that you have to do in the ground, to turn over the ground. I don't have to water. Very little weeding being done with this process. So Torpedopot grows your food like nothing else you've ever seen before, and it will grow your food. All right, so we're gonna walk through this. We're gonna start wrapping this up because these tomatoes should be growing and they should be producing prolifically in about another week or 2 weeks. And then at that point, you're going to see things that you haven't seen before. We're going 15,000 pea pods, from 3 to 10,000 tomatoes, and then after this crop, we're going to throw kale in. There's no reason in the world you can't grow hundreds, if not thousands of pounds of food in your area with the Torpedopot. Talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.